Mastering the art of silence, your secret sales tool. In the bustling realm of sales, silence is often overlooked. Yet, it's a powerful tool to master. Harnessing the power of silence can change your sales outcomes dramatically. Silence invites your customers to share more. It empowers them, making them feel valued. This builds stronger customer relationships and trust, crucial in closing any deal. In negotiations, silence plays a strategic role. It makes your customers reveal their thoughts, giving you insights into their needs and desires. Silence allows you to listen actively. It's in these quiet moments that you understand your customers' pain points, paving the way to provide the right solution. Embrace silence, let it do the talking. It's not about saying less, but about creating spaces for your customers to say more. Transform your sales strategy with silence. In conclusion, silence isn't just golden. In sales, it's invaluable. Master it to become a more effective, empathetic, and successful salesperson.